G'day guys, it's Galvin from the Car Tune Company in New Zealand. Ooh, there I was in the reflection of that grill. We're going to talk about noise suppressors. Should actually call this video, we're past our 15 seconds, I'm allowed to say naughty words. But what the fuck is this on the 3UZ or a 1UZ? There it is there. There's one of them there, little box. And there's another one on the other side. There it is there. You can see the wiring runs down here and into the wiring loom. I have this connector here on them. For those of you with broken connectors, there's the connector part number. The 1UZ non-VVTIs have them too, and they're located by the left-hand coil bracket down over there. Of course, this one's got coil on plugs. So what are those little units? As I said at the beginning, it's a noise suppressor. So it's just a little capacitor to soak up the ripples of the voltage that from the coils. Okay, so what do these little capacitors or noise suppressors do? They suppress the noise. It's a little capacitor, and it dampens the EMF, or the electrical noise, electrical interference noise, from pulsing the coils. The falling and the rising and falling of the electrical or the magnetic field within the coils can cause some noise in the electrical systems. Now, often people just talk about the radio, getting rid of that static on the radio, and yes, if they're not there, that can cause problems. But it's also for things like the cam and crank sensors that are sensitive to noise. So it helps the engine management work better because it gets rid of those. Okay, there's other things within the loom to help with that, but those capacitors are part of that system. Okay, so, and interesting enough, they went to 2 of them on the 3UZs. Interesting little factoid. So what are they? They're a capacitor or a noise suppressor. Alright, hope that's been helpful, and we'll talk again soon. We'll catch you later.